Hey there, welcome back to our channel. For those new here, consider subscribing so you won't miss any of our money-saving tips. Today, we're diving into an important topic: frugal living and reducing expenses. Living frugally doesn't mean sacrificing happiness. It's about making smart choices to stretch your dollars further. Let's jump right into it. Segment 1. Understanding frugal living. Frugal living is all about being mindful of your spending and finding ways to cut unnecessary costs. It's not about being cheap but making thoughtful decisions to live within your means and achieve financial goals. 1. Prioritize needs versus wants. Visual. 1. Display a list of needs, e.g., food, shelter, utilities, and wants, e.g., dining out, entertainment subscriptions. Start by understanding your needs and wants. Prioritize essentials like food, shelter, and utilities. Then, evaluate your discretionary spending and find areas where you can cut back on wants without compromising on necessities. 1. Adopt a minimalist mindset. Visual. 1. Show images of decluttered spaces and minimalist living. Minimalism can be liberating. Embrace a minimalist mindset by decluttering and simplifying your life. By reducing unnecessary possessions, you'll be amazed at how much money you save and how much clearer your priorities become. Segment 2. Practical ways to reduce expenses. Now, let's explore some practical tips to help you cut down on expenses without sacrificing quality of life. 1. Create a budget. Yes, again, visual. 1. Show a budgeting app or spreadsheet. Budgeting deserves another mention because it's the foundation of frugal living. Monitor your income and expenses, set spending limits for different categories, and stick to it. 1. Cook at home. Visual. 1. Show images of cooking at home and a restaurant bill. 2. Eating out can quickly eat away at your budget. 2. Cooking at home not only saves money but also allows you to control ingredients, eat healthier, and develop your culinary skills. 1. Shop smart and use coupons. Visual. 1. Display a shopping cart with discounted items. Before you hit the stores, make a shopping list and stick to it. Look for discounts, use coupons, and take advantage of loyalty programs to save on groceries and other essentials. 1. Embrace DIY projects. Visual. 1. Show a DIY project in progress. DIY projects can be a fun and cost-effective way to improve your living space. Whether it's simple repairs, crafting gifts, or upcycling furniture, it can save you money and unleash your creativity. Segment 3. Frugal living habits. To make frugal living a lifestyle, develop these habits that will lead to long-term savings. 1. Comparison shopping. Visual. 1. Display price comparison charts. Always compare prices before making a purchase. Whether it's online or in store, take the time to find the best deals and discounts. 1. Negotiate and bargain. Visual. 1. Show haggling in a market. 2. Don't hesitate to negotiate for better prices, especially for big-ticket items or services. 2. You'd be surprised how many times a polite ask can lead to significant savings. 1. Cut down on subscriptions. Visual. 1. Display a list of various subscriptions. Review your subscriptions regularly. Cancel any you rarely use or consider sharing subscriptions with friends or family to split the costs. Conclusion. Living frugally is all about making smart choices and being intentional with your spending. By adopting these tips and incorporating them into your daily life, you can reduce expenses without sacrificing happiness. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others. And don't forget to subscribe for more money-saving tips. Thanks for watching, and until next time, live frugally and thrive. Remember, every small step counts toward a frugal and financially stable future. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next video. Take care.